Hello, class. I had imagery as my literary term. Imagery is the vivid descriptions that evoke sense, impressions by literal or figurative reference to perceptible or concrete objects, scenes, actions, or states. Imagery is also described as visually descriptive or figurative language. Those are pretty loaded definitions, so these examples should help. We have a nice, cute little doggy helping us out. So authors really do use all five senses to best use imagery in their writing. So some examples. For Harry Potter, for example, without imagery, we would never know what Harry looks like and that he has a lightning scar on his forehead because authors wouldn't be able to describe that to us. Another example might be in a crime thriller book, we could never know what was going on inside Sherlock's head because he wouldn't be able to describe the scenes around him. Or we wouldn't know what new technology looks or sounds like in a sci-fi book without the use of imagery. So imagery is very important because it allows the readers to get a full picture of what's going on in the author's head and what they are trying to portray.